guys, welcome to Detox. It's been a moment since we did a long haul video. इस बार की बुक्स हॉल जो है वो है बच्चों के लिए, जैसे कि आपको थंबनेल से पता चल गया होगा। ये बुक्स जो है ये मैंने आर्य के लिए खरीदी है और काफ़ी टाइम पहले खरीदी थी एंड ही हैज़ रेड क्वाइट अ फ्यू ऑफ देम। सो वी हैव आर्य विद अस।
Hi guys!
Come here. So आर्य मेरे साथ बुक्स हॉल आज शूट करा बिकॉज ही वाज लाइक आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस वीडियो, क्योंकि बुक्स जो है वो आर्य ने पढ़ी है, मैंने नहीं पढ़ी है। सो मेड सेंस कि आर्य उनके बारे में बताए। ओके, सो आर्य को नोजी आ रही है क्या? आज का जो बुक्स हॉल है इट इज़ फॉर किड्स हु आर अबव द एज ऑफ 8 years. सो इफ़ यू आर अ पेरेंट ऑफ एन 8-year-old और 8-year-old प्लस, तो ये बुक रिकमेंडेशन आपको ज़रूर देखनी चाहिए एंड यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय दीज बुक्स फॉर योर किड्स. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द हॉल. आर्य, सबसे पहली बुक कौन सी है आपके पास?
The first book is How to Be Happy with What You Are by Sudha Murthy.
तो आप एक्सप्लेन करो, व्हाट इज दिस बुक अबाउट?
This book is about a princess who wants to be like her friends, but then later on she realizes that new challenges and surprises come, and she later
Realizes
that she should be like herself,
her own self.
her own self.
Yeah, so that means this book has a very nice message which says that you should be your own self. You should not imitate others or try to be like somebody else. It's better to be happy in your own skin.
And
right?
I think this is the only moral story of Sudha Murthy I have right now.
Acha. Baki stories, so obviously those are fun books, no? Right? हाँ.
The next set of books are 4 books.
कोई बात नहीं.
Are 4 books.
दोबारा से स्टार्ट करो. Every time you fumble, you have to start from the beginning. ठीक है?
So the next set of books are a series of the Gopi Diaries from Sudha Murthy.
By Sudha Murthy. So we have 4 books.
We have 4 books, but in total there are 5 books. I don't have the 5th book.
2 आप पकड़ के दिखाओ, 2 मैं पकड़ के दिखाती हूँ. ठीक है? ऐसे. Yes. ठीक है? Now you tell us about the books. कौन सी है? Tell us.
So the first book from the series is Coming Home. Gopi is born as a stray dog, but then gets transported to the
adopted.
हाँ. No, transported to the क्या बोलते हैं, shelter.
अच्छा.
Gets transported to the shelter.
Okay.
And later gets adopted by the Murthy family.
Okay, so it's a puppy basically.
A puppy.
है ना? So second book is Finding Love. So tell us about Finding Love. पढ़ लिया ना आपने?
ये वाली मैंने बहुत दिन पहले पढ़ी थी.
बहुत दिन पहले पढ़ी थी, तो याद नहीं आ रहा. So in the second book, Gopi is all grown up and he is enjoying all the situations and challenges and adventures of life. He is more mischievous and naughty and cheeky. चलो third book बताओ.
The third book is Growing Up. ये बुक में गोपी finds a friend named Nova.
Oh yes.
And later on they start a family. Gopi's Day Out. In this book, Gopi gets challenged by a stray cat and ends up getting lost in the streets. He then faces the life of stray dogs and later gets help from a stray dog.
Oh, okay. ठीक है. So this is what the Gopi Diaries is about. 4 books of Gopi Diaries. 5th one we do not have. तो हम 5th one आगे के लिए लेके आ जाएंगे. ठीक है.
We will do it in the next video.
ठीक है, we will do it in the next video and we will buy some more books because he has already read 5 of these. In fact, more of these. He has already read these 5 and we have some more which he has not read. तो उनके बारे में हमें पता नहीं है. So we will just try to figure out what the books are all about.
So the next book is also by Sudha Murthy. In this is a set of stories called Grandparents' Bag of Stories.
Have you read any of the stories in this book? No. Why not? Oh. Okay, let me quickly read the synopsis and see what the book was about. Oh yes. Now I remember when we picked up this book, we checked that it was 2020 and children are stuck indoors as coronavirus has found its way to India. Or the entire nation was in a lockdown situation and everybody was home.
And when the actual
everyone was locked inside their homes.
और जब सच में वो लॉकडाउन हुआ था, I was at 3 years old at that time. I was so bored. I was like reading some children's छोटे बच्चे के books.
I was just 3 years old at that time and I had got lots and lots of books for Arya to do for coloring books, tracing books and all those kind of books so that he doesn't feel bored. तो ये बुक्स जो है ये उस टाइम की सेटिंग की है एंड obviously the grandparents are doing all kinds of work, chores, home chores and telling their grandchildren stories. So I'm sure this book is about that. तो ये पढ़ लो भाई अब. So every year on the 1st of January we go to Crosswords and we buy not lots of books but few books every year. Some books I buy for Arya, I buy myself also some books, if not some, at least one book I get for myself and buy some books for Arya. That's an yearly ritual that we follow.
The next book is not by Sudha Murthy but by Roald Dahl. This was one of the most suggested authors from my class teacher as well.
Yeah, and Charlie and the Chocolate Factory की नाम की एक मूवी भी है. It's a very nice movie. Yes, it's a very nice movie, children's movie. And
you should watch that movie as well.
अच्छा, तुमने देखी है?
नहीं.
तो फिर दूसरों को ज्ञान है ना, दूसरों को बोल रहे you should watch that movie. आपने देखी? नहीं. मैंने तो नहीं देखी पर you should watch it. पर मैंने तो देखी है ना.
आपने देखी है?
Yeah, I watched it long ago because it's an old movie. It's not very new, but it is a movie that kids definitely should watch. It's a very fun movie. Or obviously it is derived from the movie is inspired by this book called Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. And
so I'm assuming that there is a boy named Charlie who gets a golden ticket and goes to a chocolate factory.
Yeah, you're right. And he meets a lot of other kids over there who are the chosen one who have got the ticket to visit the chocolate factory. और वहाँ पे क्या क्या होता है वो आप बुक पढ़ोगे तब आपको पता चलेगा और आप मूवी भी देख सकते हो. हाँ, you were saying something?
They all
भूल ही गया. चलो next book.
The next book is Traveling Treasures by Mala Kumar. This story is about the Indian.
It's not a story.
This book is about the entire Indian subcontinent and when different things made from different countries came to India. 100
incredible tales. ऑफ हाउ थिंग्स केम टू इंडिया, जो चीज़ों की हिस्ट्री है उनके बारे में है ये बुक्स, जैसे कि पोटैटोज कहाँ से आए हैं, और जो आपके अम्ब्रेला है वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुआ है, जो पेंसिल बच्चे यूज़ करते हैं वो कहाँ से ओरिजिनेट हुई है। सो हाँ, इरेजर, सो वेरी मेनी काइंड्स ऑफ थिंग्स लाइक हॉकी, इरेजर, कॉफी, यू नो, कार, balloons. So all of these things that did not originate in India and were brought to India by, you know, explorers and travelers who came to India and introduced those things to India. तो ये जो स्टोरी है, ये जो बुक है, उन सब चीज़ों के बारे में है, and the things that were brought to India are woven very beautifully in the stories. तो yes, मैंने पढ़ी नहीं है पर आर्य ने पढ़ी है, एंड
थोड़ी
पूरी क्यों नहीं जिनको हिस्ट्री में शौक है या जो जिनको नई नई चीज़ें जानने का, पढ़ने का शौक है कि ये चीज़ कहाँ से आई, कैसे आई, उनको ये बुक बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग लगेगी। तो आपने बुक्स क्यों नहीं पढ़ी है? ये इतनी सारी बुक्स आपने जो
ज़्यादातर तो मैंने पढ़ी ली,
ज़्यादातर पढ़ ली। और बाकी
पढ़ूंगा अभी बाद में।
कब पढ़ोगे?
आज रात में।
आज रात में? और बुक्स चाहिए आपको?
अभी नहीं मुझे ही मत। So the next book is 199 stories from around the world. This book was gifted by my best friend Reyansh.
Like really short stories, छोटी स्टोरीज हैं, है ना? और हमने अभी पढ़ी नहीं है, मतलब आर्य ने अभी पढ़ी नहीं है, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू रीड इट एज बेड टाइम स्टोरीज। एंड वुड यू लाइक टू से थैंक यू टू Reyansh, please?
I would like to say thank you to Reyansh for being such a nice friend and also for these gifts.
For these gifts, always happy, है ना?
Yeah.
Okay, so the last book. बोलो।
So the last book of the day is The Boy, the Mole, the Fox and the Horse. I have not read this story yet. Mama is reading the story right now.
No, I have already read it, and actually this is one book that I always wanted to own. You know, sometimes owning a book is more joyful and, you know, gives you more happiness than reading it. So this is that book, you know. I had read so many good things about this book. I had read so many quotes from this book that I really wanted to own it. Or finally I bought it. It is a very
Wasn't this given to you by my nanny?
No, and I really like the illustration and the font that is used in this book.
I mean, like,
It
this
is
style.
this book, yeah, the style, you're right. This is that book that, you know, even an 8-year-old can read and even an 80-year-old can read, you know. So
this is a must read book.
ये वैसी बुक है जो irrespective of age will click with everybody. It teaches you a lot of things about life. I love this book. January is round the corner, 2026 is round the corner, and we wish and we hope to read more and more books, and we encourage all of you to read more and more books, not just in the coming year but every year. So yeah, that brings us to the end of this video, this haul video. I hope you liked these book recommendations जो आर्य ने दी है इस बार, है ना? Boop. And I hope you like these recommendations, and I hope it will help you make choices for your kids. तो ये books अपने बच्चों के लिए ज़रूर खरीदिए, और I'm 100% sure they are going to enjoy it. डम बंद करो भाई, बाय बाय बोल दो।
बाय बाय।
अच्छा, और सब्सक्राइब कर दो, ये कर दो, वो कर दो चैनल को, ये भी तो बोलना पड़ेगा ना।
वो तो आप बोलो।
आप भी बोलो। ऐसे क्या मतलब?
तो साथ में बोल रहे।
साथ में बोल दे। अच्छा, so Do not forget to subscribe to Detox for more such interesting videos, for book recommendations, for travel stories and other stories in general, जो हम कभी करते नहीं हैं पर हम करेंगे, definitely करेंगे, है ना?
Hit the bell icon.
Hit the bell icon for all notifications. Every time we upload a video, you will be notified. So push the notification bell and do share these recommendations to all those you think are worth its while. You know, जिनको ये recommendations interesting लगेंगी या useful होंगी, उनके साथ आप ज़रूर share करो. और that's it.
That's it.
That's it. So we say bye.
Bye.